where you can relax completely. Sit or lie down, resting your hands gently at your sides or on your lap. Take a moment to adjust your position, allowing your body to settle into comfort. When you're ready, softly close your eyes and let the outside world fade away. This is your time now to rest, to reconnect, to ground yourself deeply, and to feel completely safe and secure. When you're ready, take a slow, deep breath in, filling your lungs fully. And as you exhale, allow your shoulders to drop, your face to soften, and your body to relax just a little bit more. Breathe in again, gently and easily. And as you breathe out, let all tension and heaviness flow out of you like a soft wave. That's right. Deeper and deeper with every breath. Now I'd like you to begin to focus on the natural rhythm of your breathing. Notice how the air feels cool as it flows in and warm as it flows out. Allow yourself to sink deeper into this rhythm. There's nothing you need to do but breathe. And with each exhale, you allow yourself to relax more and more. Your body growing heavier, calmer as your mind becomes quieter. In a moment, I'll guide you down a gentle staircase. Each step will take you deeper into relaxation, deeper into calm. Imagine yourself standing at the top of the staircase now. It's safe and sturdy, and it leads you down to a place of peace and stillness. With every number I count, take a step down and feel yourself relaxing more and more. 10. Take the first step down, your body becoming heavier. 9. Your breath flowing softly, easily. 8. Relaxing deeper go completely. 7. Each step takes you further into calm, deeper into peace. 6. Halfway down now, your body feels safe and at ease. 5. More relaxed than you felt in a long time. 4. The outside world fades away. 3. Drifting deeper, softer, quieter. 2. Almost there, feeling so calm, so still. 1. You've reached the bottom now, and it feels so good to let go. Here, you're deeply relaxed, calm, and completely safe. From this deep place of calm, bring your awareness to the base of your spine or the soles of your feet. I want you to imagine your roots gently extending from this point, like the roots of a great ancient tree. These roots flow downward, reaching deep into the earth. They move through the soil deeper and deeper, wrapping gently around rocks, reaching the rich, solid core of the earth. Take a deep breath in and feel this connection. With each inhale, you draw up the earth's steady, grounding energy. With each exhale, you release any heaviness, tension, or uncertainty, just for now, letting it flow down through your roots into the earth, where it is absorbed and transformed. It doesn't matter where you are physically right now, high up indoors or far from nature, this connection is always here for you. Allow your mind to remember the feeling of walking barefoot on soft, cool grass, the sensation of warm sand beneath your feet on a peaceful beach, or the gentle support of a forest floor, earthy and alive. As you breathe, let these sensations become more vivid. Feel the energy of the earth cradling you, holding you securely. Repeat silently yourself. I am grounded. I am safe. The earth supports me completely. Now, as you continue to breathe, feel the energy from the earth rising through your roots, flowing up into your feet, warm, steady energy, moving up through your legs into your hips and spine, rising up into your chest, your shoulders, your arms, flowing all the way to the top of your head. This energy is grounding, calming, and healing. It holds you securely like the roots of an ancient tree. Imagine yourself becoming a part of the earth's strength. Your body is steady, your breath is calm, your mind is quiet and clear. Say softly in your mind, I am deeply connected to the earth. I feel calm and steady in this moment. Take a few breaths to fully enjoy this feeling. As you rest here, grounded and connected, allow these suggestions to settle deeply within you. Whenever I feel overwhelmed, I can return to this grounded state. I am always supported and safe. This calm, steady energy stays with me all the time. These thoughts are now anchored within you, and they will guide you throughout your day. In a moment, I'll count from 1 to 5, and as I do, you'll begin to return to the present moment, feeling refreshed, grounded, and clear. 1. Begin to notice your breath, gentle and steady. 2. Feel the surface beneath you, your body supported and comfortable. 3. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently, bringing awareness back to your body. 4. Take a deep, refreshing breath in. 5. And when you're ready, open your eyes slowly, feeling calm, grounded, and present. Take a moment to stretch and notice how steady, connected, and supported you feel. Say to yourself for one last time, I am grounded, I am safe, I am at peace. You can return to this place of grounding and calm anytime